Wow, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is what I woke up to when I came out to do my morning walkthrough. It appears that the bottom of my wooden raised bed has fallen out and rotted. So I got to see what I'm going to do to save the plants and to clean up this mess. Okay, so far I've been able to probably save 4 tomato plants. I have 2 that are in a gray tote, and some of the limbs were broken off them. So I did my version of a Florida weave for them and tied them up. So I have 2 in the tote, and I have 1 in 2 containers that I'm going to put in. The game plan for the rest of the soil is to try to save as much as I can and put it in other buckets that I have around here that I've been needing to have more soil added to them. The raised bed itself, I'm going to use some of the boards to sit the totes and the containers on. The rest of the boards are going to go out for bulk pickup. Well, as you can see, the raised bed and all of the soil have been removed, and I put my tomatoes in containers. Hopefully they will be okay and not have too much shock from the stress of the move. Later on I'm going to come out and water them and keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully they'll survive. I put some of the soil in other containers too, because there was a lot of it, and the fact that it was moist, wet. So yeah, hopefully keeping my fingers crossed that I don't lose my tomatoes. I have others, but these I was looking forward to. We'll see, and we'll go from there. The raised bed that collapsed was only 2.5, 3 years old. This is some of the wood. From looking at the wood, I see that it wasn't pressure treated, which I'm glad that it wasn't. But it also doesn't look like it was a very good quality wood, because it looks like it just came apart if I didn't know any better, I would think it was particle board or something like that. Here are some of the other boards. So in my area, recycling is on Friday, so these boards are going to go out, and hopefully my other one over there looks sturdy. Haven't had any issues with it. In this one, the one that was here, one board did fall out, but that was several months ago, so I didn't think anything of it. Well, thank you for coming along with me while we did a unprompted cleanup of a mess that was made. Thank you for watching. If you got anything out of it, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the plants that you see or materials, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. You can have some good deals there. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, give God the thanks, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.